Jingle bell.
Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel into another video. So today's video I'm going to do caramel skin tone body cream, and Merry Christmas to you all and Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Today is the last day of the year and I'm so grateful to God. And I thank God for my life and your life. Okay, so if you're new here and you like what you're seeing already, just hit on the subscribe button and then hit on notification bell so whenever I upload a video you can be notified. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you so much for me, and hope to see you, God willing, next year. Yeah, it's just here. We have a few hours to the new year. So this is the cream we are going to make. Hope you can see how the texture is. Very nice. Hope you can see. So this is what they are going to make. Okay, if you want to know how I made this cream, just sit back, get your snacks and popcorns and watch how I'm going to do this. Okay, all right, let's dive into the video now. Okay guys, so this is our base cream. This is what I'm going to mix the ingredients with. Okay, and God willing, next year I'm going to show you guys how I made this base cream. Okay, so when you have this, it's pretty simple for you to mix up your creams. Okay, so I'm taking, this is about 300 ml of base cream. 300 ml. Yeah. Okay, so I'm taking everything into this measuring cup to mix. Okay, so I'm now adding my turmeric oil, just a few drops of it, and my glycerin, also a few drops, and my tea tree oil. And I'm going to put all the ingredients and its benefits in the description box, so you can so you can go in and read out. Okay, so this is my lavender oil. This is the carrier one. Okay, a few drops in my body oil. This clears stretch marks and any other scars on your body. Okay, so I'm putting in a few drops in it. This is my fragrance oil. And this is my glutathione oil. And vitamin E oil. And I took 3 capsules of it. Okay, pardon me if you hear any noise. Okay. Okay, so I'm done putting everything in it. I'm going to mix it with my a hand machine. If you have a hand mixer, if you have a hand machine, it's also good to for the mixing of this. Okay, so this is pretty simple. If you have your base cream already, it's simple for you to make your cream. So this is for a dark caramel skin tone. Okay, not not fair, not dark, like in between. Okay, and this is going to give out your skin, it's going to bring out your skin tone. Yes, and it's going to make your skin look very young, glow, and beautiful. Yeah, glow, very beautiful. Okay, so I'm still mixing it. Okay. Okay, so now I'm done mixing. I'm going to put it in the container, and please make sure you sanitize your container and everything you're going to use before mixing all this cream, mixing the cream. Okay, so I'm putting it in the container to store. So actually I'm giving this to my little girl. So this is it. This is our caramel skin tone body cream for you guys for this Christmas. This is a new year tutorial. Hope you love it, guys. So I'm going to give you guys a demonstration. You see how thick and smooth this is. Just have a look at it, and it absorbs the skin. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, comment below, and share with your friends and family. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.